You gonna freeze your tail end off, little girl. Bam, there she goes.
I wasn't ready for that. Oh,
well, you got in pretty good. You did good.
Now the hard part, getting in with my hair wet. Trying to get it out. I'll feel it back.
No, I don't want that. Let's see. What's that? I don't know what that
Is it still recording?
is. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, watch this. You ready? Ready?
Absolutely.
I'm gonna try to do what I did in gymnastics.
Okay. You almost did. You just need to practice a little bit, I guess.
The butterfly. Remember?
Yes, I do. How do you get a flash on this sucker?
You have to go to settings.
Seriously?